This short video demonstrates the ability of the TCAE range of Thompson couplings to accommodate combined misalignment of up to 10 degrees without any loss of efficiency. Our high-quality couplings absorb vibration with ease. This will save you money with reduced breakdowns of critical applications in power-saving bills and lower maintenance costs. Our couplings can be found in industry applications worldwide, including in recycling plants, paper mills, steel mills, food plants, manufacturing, oil and gas, monorails, aviation, and marine. The TCAE Thompson coupling is maintenance-free, requires no laser alignment, and is quick and easy to install. Our couplings are ideally suited to harsh operating environments and are covered by a long warranty of up to 3 years, depending on the application. A Thompson coupling is the smart choice when it comes to using cutting-edge technology to drive operational efficiencies critical to the success of modern industry.